everyone! Welcome to PRINTABLE Recipes. Today we are making a classic Cantonese dessert, ginger milk pudding. This must be the easiest pudding recipe ever because you only need 3 ingredients.
Ginger is the magic ingredient here to set the pudding. You need to use the freshest ginger possible, or else the enzyme is not active and you will fail to make this recipe. You can peel the skin or not, doesn't matter. I didn't peel it because I'm quite lazy. To make 1 cup of the pudding, you will need to grate 1½ inch of ginger. I just use a mesh strainer. Push it with a spoon and you will get about 1½ tablespoon of ginger juice. If you're making a big batch, you can use a cheesecloth. Till the little bowl, you can see a starchy layer at the bottom. Stir that so it will be even. I'm just gonna measure it because I like to be exact. Freshly squeezed ginger juice needs to be used as soon as possible or else it will be oxidized and you lose the effect. I have tried to let it sit in the room temperature for just 30 minutes and the enzyme does not work anymore. Just be aware of that and use it as soon as you can. Let's quickly add 1 cup of milk into a sauce pot. The milk I used is whole milk. If you're wondering, will lactose-free milk, reduced fat, and fat-free milk work? Yes, because I have tested with all of them. 1 tablespoon of sugar, or to taste. Turn the heat to medium. Give this a swirl so the sugar will melt faster. You want to heat it until the temperature is between 158 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the best temperature for the enzyme to work. You definitely need a thermometer to be exact. And do not go away because 1 cup of milk heats really fast. It just takes like 30 seconds. Once it's there, pour it into the ginger juice. The enzyme starts working instantly, so do not stir as it will break down the connection. That's it. So easy. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then you can test it with a spoon. Gently put it on top of the pudding. If the spoon doesn't sink, that means it has solidified. This is a super soft pudding. You can see the jello texture, but when you put it in your mouth, you'll feel like it's liquid. I know, it sounds weird, but it's so tasty. Very warm and creamy. I love the hotness from the ginger. We usually eat this in the morning as a breakfast or brunch dessert. You can serve it with steamed buns, congee, or dim sum. It wakes up your body so you can get ready for the day.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!